session on, design live, hybrid and self-paced courses using Edmingle. Rajesh sir, thank you so much for joining the session. Nitin sir, thank you so much. One by one, I can call out so many people name, but it will be, kind of a long session. I just want to cut it short. So let's get started with today's session where we will be, learning, to teach or to create basically 3 types of courses using Edmingle. So before I get started, just wanted to quickly let people know out here that these days, as we know, that learners are demanding off-the-shelf or catalog courses where they can improve skills in various areas. And as more organizations they go digital, the demand for these courses has gone up, and many new players are vying for their share in the catalog course business pie. So exactly, we will be learning today like how you can absolutely create your digital courses using Edmingle, in a 3 different format, and this will also help you to actually curate your content in the structured manner, right? So before I start, exactly showing you the demo of how the course creation thing will work, I'll share my little bit, PPT that I've created, which will give you the overview of it. And of course, I'm sorry to introduce my colleague today, Devopam, who has also, again, he's been there, from the past 3 webinars that we have conducted on Edmingle. So Devopam is also there, where, of course, we are going to conduct a lot of Q&A sessions. And these sessions are absolutely linked with a lot of surprises and vouchers on your way. So, all right. So I'll share my screen with you guys. So let's get started. So as I told you everyone that the theme is around design live, hybrid and self-paced courses. I'll go back 1 second. Right. So first of all, stay till the end. We have a surprise only for the participants who have registered for this particular workshop and actually have, spent half an hour of yours for this particular workshop, where we have a lot of surprises for you. So of course, as we all know, and people who are joining the webinar or the workshop for the very first time, Edmingle is a SaaS platform which enables entrepreneurs and training businesses to build a ready to launch online teaching academy, right? And what we're going to cover in this today's workshop, like how to create a live course. So when we talk about live courses on Edmingle, it is integrated with Zoom with auto recording, auto attendance facilities available in the LMS that I'm going to show you right after this PPT. Second, how to create hybrid courses. So hybrid, as all we know, of course, after COVID, this word has gained a lot of popularity. So hybrid, we all know, online and offline, it's a mix of both. So there are 2 ways to create a hybrid course. Second, you can bundle the course module in a single batch. I think this will not look familiar to you, but when I'm going to demonstrate you will get the understanding. And of course, you can create different batches also in online and offline mode. And the last one, how to create self-paced courses. So as we all know, learners these days, when they are tend to take live classes, but some of the courses they, have their learners maybe who are job oriented or don't get much time to attend the live classes, they prefer to learn in their own comfort space or comfort zone. So we have these facility where you can create such courses with using features like prerequisite, drip and availability. So that's it for this. And what's the surprise? You have to wait for the surprise till the till this particular session, which is going to be very short, only for 30 minutes. I swear I will not take much of your time. Now let's get started. All right. So can everyone see the admin panel? So now let's just quickly create a course. So to create a course, let's just simply click on courses and content. The moment I click on the course, I will be able to see a create course button over here. So let's just click on create course. And suppose I use the word or the term finance, let's suppose. So I'll put the word finance live course. Okay. And you have to click this or tick this checkbox that this will be a live course. Once I click on this, I simply need to click on create. Now I have created my live course, which is of finance. And the moment the course gets created, I'm going to see this page, finance live course, where I can manage content. Now simply we have to schedule a live class, schedule over here. So how we're going to do it, whenever you create any course on Edmingle, any live course for that matter, automatically a batch gets created. So you go on and click on batches over here. Once you do that, you can see, you can click on upcoming batch and you will be able to see a finance live course created. Can everyone see a finance live course batch which gets created automatically? Please put a yes in the chat section so that I can go and move ahead. Great. Thank you, Sahil sir. The moment, okay, now let's just click on edit schedule. So at the moment I click on edit schedule, so this is the place where actually you can create a schedule of your live class. So I'll mention the start date of today's. End date can be anything. It's not mandatory that you have to put the end date, and just simply click on update. Once you click on update, this is a place where you can actually set the live class time, select tutors, you can select days. So first of all, to do that, I'll go on the right hand side and click on subject, and the drop down will open, and through this drop down I will be able to select my subject, which is finance live course. Once I do that, I am going to select my tutor. So by default a tutor has been there, or I have added from the user section, which is SK. Suppose I'm going to start this class, maybe around 3 p.m. today, and it's going to be there till 5 p.m. let's suppose. And the days, suppose this class happens on alternate days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and of course Sunday as well. And I just simply click on save timings. Once you click on save timings, automatically your schedule will come over here on the calendar. Can everyone see that? Please put a yes in the chat section if everyone can see the live class schedule of finance live course that we just now created. Great. Thank you so much. It kinds of motivate me, and allow me to go ahead so that I can also know my people are seeing actually, and they're trying to understand all of it. So simply I, cross this and I come on dashboard. The moment I click on dashboard, I go down. Can you see? Automatically the live class schedule will come over here with the status not signed in, attendance, topics covered, and the Zoom thing. So guys, we are deeply integrated with Zoom for live classes, where you don't need to send any meeting link or password in order to start the live class. Right? And the moment you click on sign in, so are you sure you want to start this virtual class? This pop-up will ask you this, and the moment you click on OK, automatically Zoom interface will open for your live classes. So this is how we are deeply integrated with Zoom. Currently I'm canceling it because we are already in a Zoom meeting. It will overlap, but I hope you get the understanding, and you will be able to see that the status of the class has been changed from not signed in to signed in green color. And from here you can track your live class attendance as well. And the very best part about Edmingle of taking live classes via Zoom is that the class gets on auto record. And once the class recording is done, you go to courses and content, and in courses and content we have one more feature, which is class recording, which is nothing but a live class library. So what happens, it creates a repository of all your live class recordings over here, and just with the single click of a button you can delete, download, and reshare the recording with your learners. So is this clear to everyone? Yes, no, anything you can put in the chat section. And before I go on and show you how you can create a hybrid course, just wanted to say you or highlight this part, that if you are using Zoom for live classes and have purchased Zoom licenses, especially from Zoom, you can actually save a lot of money on that, because we are having an enterprise partnership with Zoom where we give complimentary Zoom license irrespective of the plan you take on Edmingle. And if you just wanted to get started, if you haven't used Edmingle, you can use our growth plan, which is 999 per month. In per month you have to just pay 1,000 rupees, and you will get one Zoom license of 500 meeting participants absolutely free. The license itself costs 50,000, 4,000, and basically the lump sum is the cost if you purchase from Zoom. But if you just pay 1,000 rupees on Edmingle, you will get a dedicated admin panel dashboard where you can create all the 3 types of courses, and you will get one Zoom license as well to conduct live classes. Now, currently you actually see how we can create a live course. Now we will create a hybrid course, which is a mix of online plus offline. So I'll go to courses and content, and I just simply click on again add course. Now here I will use my word finance only. I'm actually liking this word a lot, because this word has a lot more to do in the next, in the coming session, where I will be announcing a lot of things with this particular word, that what I'm going to do with this word. So I'll put finance. With finance, I'll put finance hybrid course. Okay. Once I do that, I simply click on create. So now I have created a finance hybrid course. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to curriculum where I will be adding 2 more courses. Here I click on add course and here I will put finance online and finance offline. Now I have created 2 courses. I go back to courses and content again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on finance hybrid course. This time I haven't created this live course. I've just simply created a course and I click on add remove, on this particular content folder. Once I do that, I click on update, and from here I'm going to add the 2 courses that I've created into this particular bundle. I'm going to bundle the module in this particular course package, which is finance hybrid course. First of all, I will remove this selected subject. I'll select the subject finance online and finance offline and just simply click on update. Is everyone on the same page that we have created a package finance hybrid course? It's a course package where we have just added 2 courses, finance online, finance offline. So I'll go and click on batches over here. And the moment I click on batches here, this drop down is there, which is added details. The moment I click on edit details, now this is the batch actually. These are the batch details that we're going to edit. Now we selected finance online. Now we have to mark that this is going to be a virtual class and I simply click on yes. Once I do that, I'll mention the start date, which is again of today, 8th July, and maybe it can, till 11th of July, and simply click on update. So once I do that, I have just marked finance online is going to have a virtual class. Okay. And from here, I'm going to again follow the same process that we followed while creating a live course. So I simply click on edit schedule. Once I do that, here I'm going to select my subject finance online. My tutor is SK. I'll select that, suppose today is Friday and Saturday, and I'll select my tutor SK. But the class time, I'm going to put maybe 5 p.m. in the evening live class, and it will, remain till 6 p.m. And once I do that, I simply click on save timing. So once the timing save is done, automatically the finance online, the hybrid package in which a finance online is one of the course, the live class will be mapped on the calendar like this. And I simply put it on cross. Once I do that, again, I'm going to make the schedule for finance offline. I hope people are not getting confused. Please put a yes on the chat section so that I can see that you people are understanding it. And I simply click on edit schedule once again. Now this time I'm going to select my subject finance offline. When I selected my finance offline subject, I'm going to keep it as Monday, Tuesday, and maybe Wednesday, and select my tutor SK. And once I do that, I'm going to put the time as maybe 2 p.m. In the afternoon, you're going to have a offline class, and 3 p.m. And just simply click on save timings. So once I do that, again, finance offline class will also appear on the calendar. Now let's quickly come to dashboard and see what we are going to see as a user. I'll click on dashboard. Now, can you see finance hybrid course finance online class is scheduled at 5 to 6 p.m. today with Zoom integration? Can everyone put a yes that they are getting it on the chat section, please? Okay, thank you. Finally, people have started responding. So it's kind of giving me motivation again. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Sahil sir, are you able to get it? Because we are not seeing your yes, please, sir. All right. Now we also scheduled a finance offline class, which was scheduled for other days, which is, I think, from Monday, right? They will come 11th. So I click on 11 July. Now, as you can see, we have a finance hybrid course offline. Now, this is the class which you're going to start offline, but But when you're going to actually have a class offline, you need to click on sign in over here. And from here, you can also track the attendance if you're having an offline class with your learner. So that is the beauty of the system. Here you can create hybrid course, which helps you to not only conduct live classes, but you can schedule, you can put a log, and you can track that even your offline classes are getting started on time. Right. So once this is done, suppose also one more thing that I would like to show you, even suppose the class was supposed to happen offline, but due to unforeseen circumstances, the classes are going to happen online. Now, in that case, what you can do, you simply click on the drop down, and from here, you can click on edit reschedule. Once you do that, from here, you can convert any offline class to again an online class. And is this a virtual class? You just need to simply click on the box, and is approval required, you can put it. And you can also mention the topics that you're going to conduct in the class which was supposed to happen offline but got converted into online because of the unforeseen circumstances, and simply click on update. Once you do that, see, your offline class is also getting converted into online just with the single click of a button. So that's the beauty of the system. I hope everyone is getting cleared with this till now, that we have created live courses, hybrid courses, and now we are moving to the next part of our session. Only 8 minutes to go that we are going to wrap up the session. But yes, please stay, because we have a lot of surprises on our way. And I'm sure you will be having a fun with it. So the third and the last part of the workshop is how to create a self-paced course. Let's create the last, cover up the last part of the session, which is self-paced courses. How you can create self-paced courses using Edmingle. Now, simply, I'm going to again click on add course, and here I'm going to put finance self-paced courses. Course, basically, I'm not going to mark that this will be a live course, because here this is the place where you're going to add your recorded content. Okay, I just simply click on create. Now, once I do that, I'm going to actually show you how you can add your teaching material in many different ways, and how you can moderate your content basically. So I'll simply click on manage content over here. Once I do that, now this is the place where you can actually create module 1, module 2, module 3. So let's just simply click on the section, and let's create a module 1. Now, whenever we talk about self-paced courses, we have this understanding that we should be in the position to moderate our content. How we can moderate content? By using these functionalities: prerequisites, drip, and availability. Now, suppose if I've created a module 1, and you people want that when I or any learner enrolled for any of their particular course, then they should be first able to complete the module 1 only, and only they should be able to move on to module 2. So in that case, what I can do, I can make the section a prerequisite, which means students won't be able to move on to next section unless they complete this section, and simply click on create. Once you do that, on the right hand side, you will be able to add teaching material or exercises in this particular module. So if you click on add teaching material over here, you can name your whatever heading of the content you want to upload. If you have a video, you can upload a video. If you have a PDF, PPT, audio, zip file, you can upload it. Even if your videos are uploaded on YouTube or Vimeo, you can embed the URL. And the very best feature that we have live on our system is BRM encoded video. So if you want the digital rights management to your content, then you can upload a video and enable a DRM to it, such that your users won't be able to download the video even if they are playing it on the website, like the laptops basically. And if you have your content in HTML iframe, you can just use this code view and copy paste the code over here, and simply you will be able to put your iframe over here. And if I show you one very good thing, so whenever you upload a video, let's suppose we created a live course and you want to use a live class recording. So you just need to click on choose from library. You click on live class library, and with this particular section, you can actually add your live class recording as a teaching material. So it's very simple. Normally, when you take classes on Zoom, you have to send meeting links, then you have to record the recording, download it, share the link on Google Drive, and a lot of manual hassle is there. So to avoid that hassle, you can absolutely use our system in just 999,000 rupees a month. You can, paid off, and I'm pretty sure it will be worth of it. Like every 1,000 rupees will be worth of it. All right, moving ahead, whenever you are uploading a video, to moderate the content, you can limit and unlimit the number of views. And once you do that, we have a privacy settings. So you can allow your video access on both. Like if I am a learner of your course, I can actually watch your content on laptop and mobile application. But if you just want to give your access on mobile application, you can just simply click on mobile app. And from here, you can, moderate the downloading as well. Your students won't be able to download the material if you uncheck this box, but if you want them to download this particular material, you can allow your learners to download this material. All right, so everyone clear with the teaching material? Can everyone put it in the chat section with the teaching material that I have actually, conveyed the prerequisite and how to add the teaching material? All right, thank you so much. Finally my participants have started responding. Thank you so much. It gives me a lot of confidence and motivation to add value through this workshop. Now once you have added a module, now suppose you want to set the availability feature also. How to do that? Can you see the eye on the module 1? Let me create one more module. Let me create module 2. Once you simply click on create, your module 2 will be over here. Suppose module 1 access is given to student. Now module 2, you want to set the availability that this particular module should be available to a learner the very next day, and it should open at 10 a.m. So you just click on availability. You uncheck this, you click on update. Again, you click on availability, and now from here select the batch finance self-paced course. Set availability. Now if unable, this particular content will only be available to selected batch at scheduled time. So if I click on start date, maybe today, suppose 9th July, and you want that this content should be available to a student at 10 a.m. and end date, suppose you want to keep it and provide the content at least for 15 days, and the access of end time should be maybe 6 p.m. So you just simply click on update. Now this module 2 will be available at the selected time only. I'll show you from the student panel that how the student will be able to see, and you will get the clarity. Now once you do that, I'll quickly go to home part where I'm going to show you how you can drip your content as well. But before that, let me add module 3 as well. So here, I created finance self-paced course, and the moment I click on this course, on the left hand side, you will be able to see this feature called drip. All right. So now from here, you can select the drip type. So you can drip your content as per the student enrollment date, batch start date, and calendar date. Suppose I'm going to, drip my content as per the batch start date. That module 1 should be available as per the batch start date. Now I simply click on save. That's it. Now I'm going to home, and I'm going to enroll myself as a learner so that I can show you how we have dripped the content. So in order to do that, I will go to incognito mode because we have already opened the website, the admin panel using this link. So I'll just simply copy paste this link, and I simply go to incognito mode. Now, as we have covered in our previous workshop, automatically this website we actually covered in our previous workshop, like how you can create website like this using Edmingle, how you can create sliders, add animation. So if you have missed this, don't worry, we will get back to you with amazing, again, kind of sessions related to website builder, which will help you to further streamline your course pages, and you can actually increase or boost your sales using our website builder. Now I simply click on courses. Once I do that, I will be able to see my course over here, finance self-paced course. I click on the course and I will enroll myself as a learner. Now, once I click, this is all the detailed landing page that will open. So as of now, we have not designed, but automatically when we were adding everything in the admin panel, it's a dynamic page, and automatically the content, basic content will form over here. So I'll simply click on buy now. Once I do that, a checkout page will open, and I simply, one second. I'll simply enroll now. I can also sign in with Google. Let's do that quickly. I know we are running out of time and lots of surprises are there. Please don't go away, because I actually want my surprises to be given to my participants. All right, so now I have signed in from my email ID. Sign in successful. So I hope everyone can see this is how the learner dashboard looks like. I simply click on finance self-paced course. And once I do that, this is how I'm going to see. So see, prerequisite, currently I've added anything, but this is how the prerequisite will open. And if I click on module 2, so again, it will come section available from 9th July, and it will open at 10 a.m. to 31st July, and it will end at 6 p.m. So this is how you can drip your content and put the prerequisites when you are preparing any self-paced courses using Edmingle. So I hope you people like the workshop. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much and have a nice weekend. Thank you.